Shanti. We all went to Baba, right? To offer bhog to Baba. Did you all come with me? Yes. Show me hands, those who went with me. Everyone, no? So we all together in front of Baba, offering bhog to Baba. And Baba is giving drishti to all of us. So I am looking at Baba, and Baba, with lot of love, accepted bhog. And then I said, Baba, what you do all the time? I don't know why this thought came. Because Baba is giving drishti. And Baba said, I give sakash. All the time I give sakash. So Baba said that children, as soon as they remember Baba, they feel sakash. But if you forget Baba, then you won't feel sakash, right? So Baba said, but also some feel that sakash and some don't feel that much. Because Baba said, you have to use your powers also. You have to use power. So whenever you are using tolerance or love, any power, then Baba is giving extra sakash. So then Baba was saying that all the children have knowledge, right? But change the knowledge into powers. Okay, you say that it's all drama, right? So if you say all drama, not necessarily that point will work. But if you have changed the knowledge of drama with the practice of full stop, beneficial, nothing new, whatever, if you have inculcated that, so then it becomes power. And when it is power, so how do I know? Am I able to put full stop or not? Am I able to say all drama, nothing new, I still be happy? So some children are very good in changing knowledge into power. Same as Baba said, yoga is also power. You can, with the yoga, when there is power, you can be very detached, very lovely. So Baba would want children to do this homework, to see that if you are in the morning when you read Murli, then underline some points. And same time you churn, what power I will get from this point? Why I'm reading these points? Why I'm revising this point? Even why I'm churning the points to change it in power. They churn the milk. Why? Why they churn? Not for sake of churning, right? They churn so that butter can emerge. So Baba is drawing attention that when you are churning, immediately see which power will emerge. And then during day, see if you are able to use that power. And then you will feel Baba's sakash. But Baba says all the children are making efforts. Everyone. So Baba definitely gives Sakash to children because of efforts. All the children, they're doing karma yoga, some service. So instantly you're getting power from there. And Baba is Sakash. So remember that uh, Baba Sakash is always there, always there. If you will have that thought, you will feel it, and your power will also work properly. Then I give love remembrances of everyone, but also those who are offering bhog, and with lot of love, uh, offer bhog to Baba. Baba gave lots of special love for them. Om Shanti.